What is going on, fam? It's been a while since I posted a little video. Been traveling a lot for work, so I apologize that I haven't been able to post as much as I would like to. But I'm making a quick video just to check in on the channel, see how everybody's doing. I'm out in the Viper right now. It's been also crazy weather in Georgia because we've had, you know, not the typical winter where it's cold. It's been kind of nice because we've been able to drive even on days where sorry, the AC was blowing real. I'm actually running the AC right now. How crazy is that in early February? Anyways, so we've had some wild weather. We've had rain, we've had even snow yesterday. It snowed. How wild is that? So not, you know, nothing crazy. You guys up north or in cold places are going to be laughing at us, but you know, we don't get that much snow in Georgia, so it is kind of nice to see it every once in a while. So even though it's a beautiful day today, and I'll kind of show you what it looks like out there, you know, we've had just the craziest of weather every single day. We don't know what we're gonna get. It's gonna be rain, it's gonna be heat, you know, just a warm winter day, and I'm spitting everywhere. It's gonna be cold, and then of course even snow. So we've had all of that in a matter of, I don't know, a week, which is pretty insane. So here I am on a beautiful 60-something degree day, driving around in the Viper. Been a while since I've taken it out. But anyways, I wanted to give you an update. You know, we're still waiting on the C8 itself. I do finally have a build status. I think in the last video, I didn't have any of that. So I'm sitting at 3,000 right now. And I'll make a video, a separate video than this one, talking about how the C8 is configured. As you guys know, it is a rapid blue color. We went with the 3LT. We did the lift kit and several other things, but I'll do a full video on that, going over every single spec, even what the total is gonna be. Don't tell my wife, she doesn't know yet. And way more than I wanted to spend when we first signed up for the $60,000 C8. But anyhow, here we are. And also did the museum delivery. I'm really excited about that because I've never bought a car brand new like that and had any kind of, I bought plenty of new cars, but never had the option to do a, for example, if you buy a BMW, you can do a European tour. For those in the US, you can go over to Germany and I believe drive the car around for 7-8 days or something like that and get a VIP tour of the museum, and they deliver the car there for you. So this is not quite that exciting, but I am excited because it is a brand new Corvette. It is going to be delivered at the museum itself. So we're thinking about what we do right now, and I apologize, the sun is just kind of half face. But you know, as you know, it'll be fun. It'll be a fun experience. I've watched a few videos already, and you kind of get a tour of the plant itself, of the museum. Then you take the delivery in the museum. So really excited about that. I think I'm gonna go up there either with my sons, or I'm gonna go up there with one of my buddies who's offered to trailer the C8 back, because I'm about 4 hours away from the Corvette Museum. So I would have to drive it about 4 hours on the highway. I don't know how I feel about that. I'm afraid I might get some rock chips, you know, scratches, and it's still kind of, you know, winterish. Of course, my TPW, which I believe stands for Target Production Week, for those that know, and I'm sorry this is shaking so bad, it's scheduled for 4/27 or April 27th. I've read on some of the forums and some of the Corvette groups, some folks had the same, you know, the same dates for the TPW, the Target Production Week, and they were moved up a month and a half. So if that happens to us, that would be super exciting. But I don't know. There's no guarantee, of course. I'm not sure what the process is like on, you know, how they decide who they move up, who they don't move up. So anyhow, just wanted to check in, give you guys an update. And I want to do a separate video going over all the specs for the C8 itself. Of course, I can't wait to get the vehicle and do some videos with the Viper and the Vet. Hopefully create some great content and build this channel. It's been a dream of mine to build the channel for quite some time. I started with the WRX, then moved to a Mustang, then the Camaro. I know some of you have even read the comments where you're like, I give up because I can't keep up with the vehicles. My wife says the same thing all the time, but I've had the Viper for quite some time, and hopefully with the Viper and the Corvette, we'll make some great content that'll take the channel to the next level. If you guys have any suggestions, ideas, or comments, please share below as always. If you haven't yet, please like, subscribe, hit that bell so you get a notification, of course. I hate to sound like every other YouTube channel, but hey, that's what it takes to build it. Let's do it. But anyhow, so that's where we're at. Just, been traveling a lot with work. I apologize I haven't been able to make as much content as I want. I still have so many projects to do. The brakes, I still have the Wave Runner that needs some work, and many other things. Of course, we've done some stuff with the Jeep. There's some Jeep videos. If you haven't checked that out yet, please do so. I'll link that somewhere in the video in here, and you guys can go watch some great Jeep content, of course. And we'll continue to build out the Jeep too. We've done the lift kit, the wheels, and the next thing we want to do is the bumpers. We've done some lighting stuff, nothing exciting, but we'll continue to progress that one as well. Anyhow, thanks for watching. See you guys on the next video, and have a great week.